How to like all posts at once on Instagram. I am going to show you how you can easily like all posts at once on Instagram. First, open any browser like Google Chrome and search phantombuster.com in the address bar. Sign into your account or sign up for a new account by adding your credentials. On Phantom Buster's dashboard, click on Solutions. Click on Instagram from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and review all phantoms and flows. You will see Instagram Auto Liker Phantom and click on Use this phantom to continue the process. It will ask you to paste the Instagram session cookie. Go to your Instagram page and copy the URL link of the Instagram. Paste it on the Phantom Busters website. Click on Connect to Instagram and then click on Save. It will ask you to add your profile or post's URL and go to Instagram. Copy the post's link and paste it on Phantom Busters website. Click on Save and add the number of spreadsheet rows to proceed per launch. Go to Advanced Settings and add the number of posts to like per profile. Add your action whether you want to like or unlike. Click on Save and select the launch frequency and frequency. After adding frequency, click on Save. Click on Launch and wait a few seconds. After launching, you will see that all the posts will be auto-liked. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.